Hey everybody, I'm Josh.
And I'm Rachel.
And a couple of years ago we came to Sinatra, and unfortunately there was this respiratory disease going around, and I think we might have had some symptoms, so maybe we were skewed.
Pretty positive we had symptoms.
Positive was right. But tonight we're going to make up for it, and we are going to go ahead and check out Sinatra here at Encore because we've heard it's one of the best Italian restaurants, and we want to see if it matches up.
Let's go.
So the first time we came here, we actually sat inside and thought it was almost too loud. So we are sitting outside tonight. You can see it's a very nice looking menu. A little quote about Sinatra. Antipasta starts around $24 and goes up to $36. Pasta, which was something that we absolutely loved last time. So we're going to definitely do a lot of that. $39 to $65. They've got some fish. $59 to $65, and then some meat. Pricey. That ribeye is $115. I think we did a ribeye last time, but we're gonna probably go away from it this time.
Yeah.
And then there's your sides at 18 to 20. And then Rachel's checking out a drink. Oh, are you getting us a bottle of wine over there?
Well, I mean, compared to, depending, prices on mixed drinks are between $22 and, well, $20 to $24.
Uh-huh.
So, like, and you can get a bottle of wine for about $60 to $70. It might be better for us to get a bottle of wine.
Well, we might have to.
Yeah.
And this is actually my birthday month. So, one, I get $100 in credit for Wynn Rewards, and then Sinatra gave me a birthday card. That's cool. Check this out. A place in Las Vegas that gives bread.
Complimentary bread service. And
Yeah.
look at this cute little butter, whipped butter.
That is cute.
So we've got Parmesan, cherry, and sourdough.
That's some good looking bread.
Yeah, it is. Very
So,
good looking.
nice. Have you ever seen a straight shrimp? Me neither.
That thing
Check
is
that out.
huge.
That is good size, yeah.
It's bigger than your finger.
It is. All right, well, there's a blood orange cocktail sauce, which sounds very exciting, actually,
It
too.
does sound exciting. And of course, Josh already squirted lemon on it because when you see a lemon, you're supposed to use
Yes, absolutely. It's delicious. I don't notice the orange.
it. Okay,
Maybe a little.
maybe a little.
I think the more that I eat it, the more I can notice a little bit of an acid bite to that
Yeah.
I don't typically see in a cocktail sauce. It's not overly hot, which I'm okay with both ways.
We've had some hot.
We have, like, stupid hot. There's a steakhouse in Indianapolis, but I digress. But the shrimp is good. It's super cold. I was a little nervous because sometimes I want shrimp cocktail like on ice.
Yeah.
But it's super cold, but not frozen. Very good. If you're enjoying this video and looking for more Las Vegas restaurant reviews, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We have almost 200 restaurant reviews in Las Vegas alone. Because Rachel loves caviar.
I'm fancy.
Actually, we love gnocchi.
We
and
love
it just
gnocchi.
happens to have caviar.
And creme fraiche.
A lemon creme fraiche, I believe, right?
Yeah. And then some caviar.
It's actually a much larger portion than I thought it would be.
very large.
Thank goodness,
Yeah.
because it is expensive. All right, Yukon Gold gnocchi
Gold gnocchi.
with a leek sauce.
Oh man,
Whoa.
you can really taste that leek sauce. It's blowing my mind. It's really fresh, and it's a lot lighter dish than I was expecting for gnocchi. And that gnocchi is like pillows.
Yeah, I love.
Oh my gosh, Josh.
I love seeing the size of this actually. Now it's expensive, but it's like a billion times larger than Vetri.
Yes, and then we've got some
Sheep's milk ricotta in an
it's
asparagus sauce, and then
tossed
there's
in Parmesan.
tossed in Parmesan.
Oh my god. So creamy. So creamy. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for you to try this. I don't taste the asparagus sauce as very strong, but I didn't get any.
Yeah,
when
you
I
can see
dipped
that
it up.
there's not a crazy amount of sauce on that. But does it need the sauce?
I don't think it needs the sauce because you can taste the Parmesan. That pasta is cooked perfectly. Both of these offer such a lighter flavor than I was imagining either one of them to offer, that we are going to inhale this. I know it. I'm
and
excited.
we didn't purposely pick the same colors.
Oh, yeah, and that's part of it too, is these are seasonal dishes.
And also, so far we are definitely loving the patio area.
I do love the patio area.
Right now it is almost Labor Day, or it is Labor Day.
Yeah.
And I think it's about 80 degrees. The sun was not, there was like good cloud cover, but
And it's covered out here too.
yeah.
So.
And I think the volume is so much better and easier for two people. so.
Agreed. Cheers.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. I almost forgot.
All right. Yeah, Rachel is already digging
I was ready
into
to
hers.
bite in.
So osso buco. Look
Ooh,
at this.
look at that just tear apart. And it
it's
just
got
is off the bone.
On the bone. Nice shank look in there.
They did.
I asked about this one, and he said that is their signature dish.
Yep.
So we got to do it, right?
We got to try it.
And then it's a saffron risotto. So I'm just going to take it in one bite.
Yeah, you should. Man, that looks so good.
Yeah.
Look at that. Just peel apart.
Super juicy, very moist, very tender. The risotto, I probably should try without the meat because the meat does overpower. The meat
Oh.
is very strong flavored. It's good. It's got a nice little brown gravy on there.
I love how it's on the bone, but man, it just fell right off there. I mean,
Oh, yeah.
like it's not, that bone is not missing any meat.
No, look at that thing. This thing is delicious.
Good.
Definitely recommend it. That's all there is. It's 2 items.
So I've been on a scallop kick. And
For
I
years now.
Can't wait. Yeah, like I just eat them every time. This has some peas, some corn, and some mushrooms.
Oh
I'm so
my.
excited. Very fresh vegetables. I love that piece of it. But let's really get to the piece what we're here for. It looks like you get 4 scallops on here. They're nicely seared.
Yeah, they look like they have a nice crispiness to
Cutting
it.
with a fork, and they just melt. My goodness. I think the sauce is actually part of the corn. It's got a strong
Okay.
a sweetness of that corn offers in there. But the corn, the peas, the mushrooms, they offer such a good seasonal freshness to this that it is so tasty.
I think that'll probably pair really well because this one is going to be a little bit heavy, I think.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, so I think they'll pair really nicely.
Yeah, very good.
All right, unfortunately, we don't have a ton of space for dessert.
Not unfortunately. I mean, that food was delicious.
It was. And
so tasty.
actually, our wine. So apparently it was the
It's
last
really
bottle they
good.
had. It was $45.
Yeah.
And we are the kind of people that typically are like, we'll take your second cheapest bottle of
Gonna say,
wine.
can I have your second cheapest?
Yeah, we are not the fanciest wine people,
No.
but for $45, we got a full bottle of wine. Anyway, dessert-wise, looks like it's about $15 to $36. The $36 one is for 2 person though. We aren't feeling a ton, but I think we got to get something right.
I think maybe aiming for that pistachio gelato. I know
Hard
you
to go
get 3
wrong.
scoops though for that. So
Yeah.
and you can mix
So
and matches.
We might have to get a
couple.
couple different flavors. But there's your desserts if you are interested.
You give me the idea of pistachio
Yeah.
gelato, I'm gonna eat it.
Look at this.
I'm ready.
I
love
have not
pistachio
even
gelato.
recorded yet, and Rachel's ready. So let's go ahead and try some of that.
Well, I don't think we need to take pictures of it. Like it looks
No.
like.
It
how
looks
do you-
like ice cream.
Yeah, it looks like ice cream.
Okay. Pistachio gelato is easily one of our favorites, must-gets.
Sweet, nutty, smooth, creamy flavor. It's cold.
Good.
There's room for this because it's gonna fall right around that pasta.
Yeah, it'll fill in the gaps.
Super good.
And then also went with a vanilla one. So we got 3 options.
Yeah, you get 3 options when you order it. And I think there are about 5 different flavors, but you can mix and match. That's the cool part.
And that tastes like a very rich, big flavor vanilla bean ice cream. And then there's something more coming. Oh, there we go.
Aw. It even says happy birthday.
It does.
Yeah, to wish you happy birthday this evening.
Beautiful.
Yeah, don't forget make you a wish. I know it's very nice this evening.
Oh, there you go.
Auguri.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Now, Josh really does love tiramisu, and so
do.
do I, since we've had good tiramisu. You want to try a bite of that?
Have you had some bad tiramisu?
Well, I mean,
You
once you have
must have.
tiramisu in Italy,
Oh, that's
tiramisu
true.
anywhere else is hard. I love this
That's
little
some
design.
dark chocolate right there.
It actually came out, and it was not to the waiter's liking, so
Yeah.
he took it back.
He went back, he wrote happy birthday, brought out the candle. All right, so let's go ahead and check into this.
Dig into that. That's a big serving.
It is.
I wonder, that's got to be the regular size tiramisu that's on the
Oh
menu.
yeah, I would say if it's your birthday, anniversary, whatever, Put
Tell
it on your
people.
reservation.
Yeah.
You might get a free dessert.
Worth it, baby?
That's super good.
Good. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. All right, we're back where it began.
Oh, Sinatra.
That was great.
I am so glad we came back. That was delicious.
I'm super stuffed.
I am too.
Loved every bite.
Yeah, what was your favorite bite? Because we had a couple really good dishes.
I would go with, I ended up really liking the gnocchi. I think that was probably my favorite bite.
I did tell Josh that agnolotti with the leek sauce would be like my ideal combination. He
Yes.
told me that wasn't
Yeah, you can't fake it like that.
that wasn't appropriate. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with the agnolotti, followed very, very closely by those scallops. They were delicious.
Yes.
Yeah.
So there you go. Come to an Italian restaurant, get the pasta.
That's right.
If you're enjoying our videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.
You can also follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, and X. All our links are down below.
Peace.